through the hub, through Alchemy, we're going to have a lot of activities that are ongoing, and the main focus of these activities is to try and create collaborations, feed new ideas into both the hub and academic research. But ultimately, a big part of it is around training to try and develop the next generation of researchers. And what we sort of tried to split into three broad categories. We have events, training, community building, and funding. I'll cover events and training now. My colleague Chris will cover more about the funding that is on offer going forward. So a lot of our events and our training that we're going to provide is led by our ECR committee, which we'll hear about in a minute. But two of the sort of flagship events that we'd like to highlight here is annually we have an Alchemy conference, and this will be our flagship event, and we'll rotate the location around our partner institutions and look to do joint conferences with international collaborators. So we're in discussions with the Acceleration Consortium based in Toronto about joining in with the annual conferences and other larger centres that do this. And we'll be looking to do this at some point in 2025. And in the interactive session, you'll be able to give your input in terms of what you think we should be covering and best time of the years and things like that to do that. Another event that is worth highlighting is our industry showcases. So there's two reasons for doing this. Is one, to build the industry engagement into the hub, to allow the industry to give in their ideas, bring to the forefront of the research agenda what they think are the biggest challenges and the biggest challenges they are facing, but also as a platform to try and sort of build that collaboration between your academics and industry partners to foster new ideas and collaborations. Webinars and outreach we'll cover shortly in the ECR section. From a training community perspective, again, so some of these activities will be led by our ECR committee. Two that we'd like to flag here is undergraduate internships that we are running. So these will be 8-week summer internships that are based in the UK. These will be open for an annual application, and we'll be looking to fund between 8 and 10 of these each year. These are fully funded at national living wage. And the other events, so we're going to try to run datathons and hackathons. So these will be annual challenges that are open to students and postdocs. We are aware that not everyone is experienced in AI and coding and things like that. So we will make it very inclusive for those that are beginners and with limited experience in AI and coding. And we're also in discussion with our industry partners and at our industry events that we've held previously to get access to live industry data to see how that can be manipulated and used from a data science perspective.